Welcome to Max Abilities Learning Series, Access Unlocked. I'm Rakesh, and today we're discussing an essential topic, contrast minimum. Let's see how using accessible color contrast can make a world of difference in digital experiences. Meet Tara, a professional with low vision who relies on clear text to comfortably read and navigate content at work. Recently, Tara had trouble reading an important document because of low color contrast. Tara's coworker, Kim, designed the document layout and wants it to look visually appealing. After hearing Tara's feedback, Kim is ready to make changes to improve accessibility for everyone.
Hey, Kim, got a minute? I wanted to talk to you about the latest project document.
Sure, Tara. What's up? Is there something we should adjust?
Yeah, actually. The text in some sections was hard for me to read because of the light grey colour on a white background. I found myself squinting to make it out.
Oh, I'm sorry about that, Tara. I thought the lighter text looked clean and modern. I didn't realize it would be hard to read.
No worries, Kim. A darker colour would make it much easier for people like me to read comfortably.
Thanks for explaining, Tara. So changing the text to a darker shade would improve readability?
Exactly. Slightly darkening the colour can make a big difference. It's a small change, but it helps everyone see things more clearly.
Got it. I'll go ahead and update the color to a darker tone. I'm glad you brought this up, Tara. I want everyone to find the documents easy to read.
A few days later, after Kim updates the document colors, they check in with Tara to see if the changes helped.
Hey, Tara, I made those updates to the document. How is it now?
Much better. I can read everything without any strain, thank you, Kim. It really helps.
I'm so glad to hear that, Tara. It feels good knowing these small changes can make a big difference for everyone.
The challenge Tara faced was with low contrast, which is crucial for users with low vision or color blindness. According to WCAG Success Criterion 1.4.3, contrast minimum. The visual presentation of text and images of text has a contrast ratio of at least 4.5 to 1. By ensuring sufficient contrast, we can make content accessible to everyone. Thanks for watching Access Unlocked, one step at a time. See you soon with another Success Criterion.